Welcome to the test preparation.
Who was the first critical prime minister in the history of Pakistan? A. Ahmad Qureshi, B. Malik Khalid, C. Ghulam Mustafa, D. Ushar Mazari.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Answer is C. Ghulam Mustafa.
The 50th G7 Summit, annual, was held in from June 13 to 15, 2024. A. The UK, B. France, C. Italy, D. Germany. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Answer is C. Italy. Who was Minister of State for IT and Telecommunications? A. Shahza Fatima Khawaja, B. Mohsen Naqvi, C. Khalid Maqbool Siddiq, D. None of these. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Answer is A. Shahza Fatima Khawaja. Nanga Parbat is in world and second highest peak in Pakistan. A. 7th, B. 8th, C. 9th, D. 10th. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Answer is C. 9th. Who served as first Postmaster General of the United States? A. Franklin Pierce, B. Benjamin Harrison, C. Benjamin Franklin, D. James Madison. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Answer is C. Benjamin Franklin. Thank you for watching test preparation. For more update and MCQs, open link in description or visit our website testpreparation.com.pk.